Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about some insight questions from the chapter Every Drop Counts. In the last class, we have discussed very short questions. Under very short question, we have discussed fill in the blanks. This thing you have done. Second one, true and false, also you have done. Now next, come to the next page. Yes, these are the picture of some of the sources. Options are given: lake, pond, step well, sea, water tap, steam well, rain, hand pump, and waterfall. No need to draw all the things. You will draw only 5 among this picture. First one is the picture of lake, second waterfall, third tap, this one is step well, pond, this one is stream. Next page. This is the picture of sea, this is well, and it is the picture of rain. Okay, now come to the next one. Short answer questions. A. Why were stepwells, pews, talabs built in olden days? Stepwells, pews, talab. Here talab spelling is wrong. You will write Talabs. So talabs built in olden days to give water to thirsty travelers. Okay, here you will write stepwells, pews, talab built in olden days to give. Here were you will not write and made you will not write. Number B, name the sources of water. These are the different sources of water: well, tube well, tap, jal boat, motoring up from borewell, water from nearby canals. Who was Al-Biruni? Al-Biruni was a traveler from Uzbekistan more than 1,000 years ago. His writing were useful. Here you will not write N. His writing was useful to us in knowing about the water conservation technique in ancient India. Now move on to the next question. Number D. Why did people come to Ghats of Gatsisar? People come here to celebrate festivals, programs of music and dance, and children came here to study. You will not write for here. Number E. What is Johar? Johar is a rainwater storage tank. Johar. Now F. What is Mashak? Mashak means leather bag used by travelers to carry water. Earlier what happened, there were no plastic bottles. So traveler used to carry mashak with them. Why? Because it keeps the water cool. Now next, who made Gatsisar? King Gatsi of Jaisalmer made Gatsisar 650 years ago with the help of the people. Now what is Gatsisar? Gatsisar is a group of how many lakes? 9 lakes rebuilt by the King Gatsi. What is stepwell and why it is called so? Now stepwell. Stepwell is a multi-storied well in which water is reached by descending a set of steps. Now why it is called so? Instead of throwing water up from the well, the people could go down the steps and reach the water. That is why they are called stepwells. Now number C. This one is very important term. Okay, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the method used for collecting, storing, and using rainwater for various uses. Rainwater is collected from the roof-like surface and redirected to the tank, cistern, deep pit. From there, people use water for the different purposes. Okay. Least 2 causes of water shortage. This one is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees and increased population. Number E. Why did people in Rajasthan not face water shortage in earlier times? People in Rajasthan knew that every drop of water was precious. Lakes and Johar were made to collect these precious drop of water. And now come to the next question. Now what do people do about water when they travel? Nowadays people usually purchase packaged drinking water or carry their own water bottles. Why the well has dried up explains some reason for this. This one we have discussed in our last class. So reasons are water is being pumped up from under the ground with the help of electric motor. Number B, the lake in which rainwater used to collect are no more. Number C, the soil around the trees and park is now covered with cement. Number D, cutting of trees and lack of maintenance. Next one is make a poster. This one you will do yourself. You will write the slogan, different slogan other than this. The water on earth is for one and all. This one is the slogan given in the book. You will write something else and you will draw a picture also. Write 2 ways of water shortage in olden days. So 2 ways to for water shortage in olden days, how they solve the problem by making lakes and by making step well. Now we will do some map work here. Locate Uzbekistan. This one is the world map. Here you have seen this one is India. Here China, very big country. Now this Kazakhstan, and near Kazakhstan you can see this one is Uzbekistan. Come to the next page. Again map work is there. Locate Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Uttarakhand. Now this is the India's map. Here you can see Rajasthan. This one is Jaisalmer, and near Jaisalmer this one is Jodhpur. Again Uttarakhand, where it is? Here it is Uttarakhand. Now come to the next question. Name the group of people who have Darki Bai. Here JI is written. JI is written. You will write DARKI, my MAI. How did the group help Darki Mai? The group called Taran Bhagat Sangh helped Darki Mai. And how they helped? Together the people from the group and the village made a lake to fulfill the water needs of the people. Now write the names of any two. Lake you will have to write. So two names are Chilka Lake and Dal Lake. River you can give any two name. I have given Kaveri and Brahmaputra. Sea, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Now we will see where is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Here you can see Arabian Sea and this one is Bay of Bengal. Ocean. So ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. Again we will locate Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean in the map. So here it goes. We can see this one is Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean is the right side of this map. Pacific Ocean is the deepest ocean. Okay, so these thing children, you will do it in your copy. Every day if you will write three question, then on Tuesday your work will complete. Okay, thank you.